Barre chords, how you play them, what to practice, and where to start. Welcome back. If you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button and let's dig into some barre chords. First of all, we need a good knowledge of the fretboard so we can easily learn the barre chords. So here's the easy way to learn your fretboard. And chords are named after the bass note mostly, so that's an E minor because that's an E note. Let's take the E minor shape. Let's take it down to here, where we bar the 5th fret, all the strings, and play the same shape of E minor. We are used to play it like this or like this. Now we're learning to play it like this. So we got the privilege of using this shape. So when we use it here, that's an A note. So that's an A minor. Same goes for the A shape. That's an A minor. If we move it down here, this is the D note. So that's D minor. So the best way to bar the chords is to clamp them like this. So your fingers are going to work as a clamp on the fretboard. And we will use this part of our finger, not the soft part, here, the hard part. The thumb will go behind the neck, supporting the neck, and the index will press against it. So we are clamping it like this. So when you bar those and put the E minor shape, try picking it note by note. Those two shapes, the E minor shape and the A minor shape, can be applied all over the fretboard when you bar it. So that's a C minor, that's a G minor, we go right here, that's a B minor, E minor, F minor, C minor. That's all for today. See you in the next lessons. Keep practicing and stay safe.